The best smart rings in 2025 bring discreet health tracking to your finger without the bulk of traditional fitness wearables. With tech giants like Samsung entering the market, smart rings are now more advanced than ever. We've tested over 200 fitness trackers, so we know exactly what makes a great smart ring. Today, we're sharing our top picks for the best smart rings of 2025. 1. Samsung Galaxy Ring. First up, the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Samsung's first smart ring is a game changer, rivaling the Oura Ring with incredible comfort and battery life. It's small, light, and designed for seamless, sleek tracking. If you pair it with a Samsung smartwatch, the battery lasts even longer. While it comes at a premium price, it's the ultimate choice for early adopters. 2. Oura Ring 4. Next, the Oura Ring 4, a fan favorite and one of the best sleep trackers out there. It gives deep insights into your restfulness, sleep trends, and recovery. Plus, its redesigned app makes tracking even easier, though the ongoing subscription cost is a downside. 3. Ultrahuman Ring Air. If you want the lightest ring available, check out the Ultrahuman Ring Air. Weighing just 2.4 gram to 3.6 gram, it's packed with sensors for heart rate, sleep, and skin temperature tracking. Its sleek design looks great, but we found the matte black version prone to scratching. 4. Ringconn Gen 2. For unbeatable battery life, the Ringconn Gen 2 lasts up to 12 days on a single charge. It's ultralight, tracks sleep apnea, and delivers simple, easy-to-read health scores. While it's pricier than the first gen model, it's a fantastic upgrade. 5. Ringconn Smart Ring. Looking for a budget-friendly option? The Ringconn Smart Ring offers premium features without a subscription fee. It tracks heart rate, SpO2, movement, and sleep, though its app can feel a bit cluttered. Still, it's a great value alternative to the Oura Ring. How to choose the right smart ring. Before buying a smart ring, consider 1. Your needs. Are you focused on sleep tracking, fitness, or payments? 2. Design. Look for a style and weight that suits you. 3. Features. Some rings, like the circular ring, even offer haptic feedback. Still unsure? Most brands offer free sizing kits, so you can test the fit before committing. That wraps up our top picks for the best smart rings in 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments.